that he destroyed.
I think it's a huge vindication for the Magnitsky family. This has been a 10-year struggle for justice after the murder of Sergei Magnitsky in November of 2009. And the decision basically says that the Russian government killed Sergei Magnitsky, they tortured him, they denied him a fair trial. And having this decision, unanimous decision, including a Russian judge, I think is an extreme vindication for the family.
It's not just for winter.
But I said better in the summer, but every...
Well, this is this creates a huge dilemma for the Russian government, because for the last 10 years, they've been trying to spin a fake story that Sergei Magnitsky wasn't murdered, that he died of natural causes, that they didn't know that he was sick, that they didn't deny him medical attention, that he wasn't beaten. And all of these claims that they've made, publicly, officially, have been debunked by a panel of judges unanimously, and that's really important going forward for the Magnitsky Justice Campaign and for his family.
It's lots and lots. Such a wonderful thing to do. So when we were walking up the stairs, it wasn't a problem for me.
In my mind, if we can't get justice inside of Russia, and we're only going to get a sort of symbolic monetary judgment at the European Court for Human Rights, we need to get real justice outside, and that is going after the money that these people have. And since they're ready to kill for money, they value money more than human life, then that's something meaningful to go after, to freeze, and to not allow them to get away with the fruits of their crimes.
So he ended up at Stanford as any rational...
Well, our biggest objective is to get the EU to pass the Magnitsky Act. There was a formal proposal by the Dutch government in November of last year. It's been picked up by the French, German, and various Scandinavian governments. And to the extent that it's gotten bogged down by a few countries like Hungary and Italy, who sort of side with Russia. But you can't really side with Russia on the Magnitsky case with a European court judgment that's so explicit and so clear that he was murdered in Russian custody. This is just one small victory on a long mission for justice. There's a lot more we need to do. There's a lot more we will do to get justice for Sergei Magnitsky, and that includes making sure that Europe passes a Magnitsky Act, that Australia passes a Magnitsky Act, and that all the countries where the money went, that Sergei Magnitsky was killed over, freeze that money, seize that money, and prosecute the people who received it and prosecute the people who laundered it.